You guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink. Today we're going to talk about advanced blues guitar course, and we're doing the very first steps to enter the world of advanced blues guitar, and this is how it probably shall sound at the end. And so on. So the goal is to take your blues guitar improvisation capabilities to a next level. That doesn't mean that if you still remain on basic stuff like just playing the minor pentatonics, that's not good. There are many players out there who work a lot. One of my favorite blues guitar players, Albert Collins, he basically plays a minor pentatonics and plays 3 licks with thousands of variations. So that doesn't mean it's necessary to become a better player when it comes to blues guitar. But if you feel like you're tired of playing minor pentatonics all the time, then this course is for you, and that's what we're going to do here. Today we're doing the first steps. That means prior, when you were playing blues guitar, you could noodle the minor pentatonics over the full form, and you had no clue what you were doing. You had no clue where the chords are, and that can work pretty well. I'm not saying that's a bad habit, but it worked pretty well. But if you want to go to the next level, then it's really required that you start following the chords. So the first part of this course is that you learn to build up your feeling for the blues form itself, that you always know where you are, which chord is played, where is it on the fretboard, and then this is the basement of the whole thing. If that doesn't work, we cannot go further. So that's part of today's course in the first steps. Let's get started. I'm using here a standard blues form in the key of A. So we have a blues in A with quick change, meaning we have, when you go through the form, we have 12 bars and we need to follow the chords. And in order to know where you are and you also be able to react on the fretboard to this, we just first check out the chords. When it comes to advanced blues guitar, you start following the chords, as I already mentioned. So you need to know where the chords are. We are focusing here now on the basic minor pentatonic pattern number 1, this one here, which you still can use, of course. It's not wrong to play, but if you want to give some additional stuff, we're gonna start using the chords. So we're using for the A, we're using this chord. Okay, this is adapted from the regular A. You can also take the whole one, but we just focus now on the upper part here. So this will be representative for A. For the D, well, I cannot do it, I have 2 big fingers, it will be this one here. Still was able to do it. Now we're just taking this one here, the upper part. Okay, that represents D. And for E, we're taking this one here. Here. So these are the chords. Now the first step is just fill in the chords with the form. I'll quickly show you. A, now comes D. Back to 2 bars A. I know it's quite boring, so I can tell riddles now. but it's really important that you know the form while you play D now, because in a few minutes I'm gonna tell you why. So we just get through this, and if you can talk while you play and you don't fall out of form, you don't have to do this exercise anymore. A, now comes D, and A, and at the end an E again. So this is now the first thing you should be able to do. Next one, now you start soloing, just using the chords. So you can do anything with these chords, but don't play them like this. You play something like try to make little motifs, something like this. When you switch from A to D, you take like a similar motif to this, and maybe to E. You can be really creative with this. You can also you can skip like, try to really put the phrases inside each other. You can really noodle around with this just by using this chord, but try to make this type of arpeggios. I'll give you a little example, but I'm also going to write down an example for you guys. If it's too fast for you, it's going to be available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. They can download the tabs, but I quickly show now. Something like this. Try to listen to your ears. Try to pre-hear what you want to play. Singing can help. Try to really know what you're doing. And already tried to make music just using the chords. So this is something completely different. If you already know stuff with the minor pentatonics, be my guest. I quickly show you. You can do this and add the minor pentatonics. And the best spots, you can add your minor pentatonic licks wherever you want. Best spots will be where the D is and where the E is. Okay, I'll quickly show you. Now we do minor pentatonics. Back to A. Now we do minor pentatonics again. Back to A. Now comes the E and the D, so we can do minor pentatonics. Works pretty well. Back to A. And end up with minor pentatonics. So if you want to make combinations, be my guest. But the main point is you always need to know where you are. The next thing as a preparational step is that each chord has its own mode. And since we are in blues, they're all seven chords, so they all use Mixolydian. But we want to push it too hard today with Mixolydian. We're just going to add major pentatonics on each chord. So on the A, we do the A major pentatonics. On the D, we do the D major pentatonics and we stay in position. That is really important. That will be this one here. And we stay in position on the E. We do the major pentatonics as well, E major pentatonics. What is also important for later, do the major pentatonics plus the approach note to the triad of the chord. So you need to find out which is the triad. I'm going to show you. Here's the triad, the C sharp. So we make an approach note to the triad and the rest remains same. Here, approach note to the triad. Same thing on D. So the triad is here, it's the F sharp. We do the approach note here. Here is F again. The F sharp is the triad, so the F is the approach note. Oh, I forgot. Sorry. And on the E, we also do it. Here is the triad is the G sharp, so the approach note is the G. And now you can play that also along with the backing track here. I'll show you. You can play the major pentatonics or the major pentatonics with the approach note. I play with the approach note. So okay, just but easy peasy. Don't stress yourself. D. Works pretty well, and on the E. So these are the very first steps to enter the world of the advanced blues improvisation or the advanced blues guitar. Follow the chords, play chord notes, and also, so when you follow the chords, you always check out the chord itself, which we did at the beginning, these ones here, and the related mode in the position, okay? So we have A with this chord, D with D major pentatonic, with the approach note that if you wish, and D, E, and these are the two parts which go, you have this framework of the form, and then you just pour in the chord and the related mode in the position where the chord is. That's quite a task, I must say, when you come in just from minor pentatonics, but that's how it is. You guys, that will be enough for the moment, since this is an advanced blues guitar course. These are the first steps, and this is the really important basement you need to work on. It's more a mental thing, it's not a technical thing. I mean, all you guys can play these chords, all you guys probably played the major pentatonics or just learned them now. It's not hard to play, but it's more the mental thing. Each chord, each position in the form gets a chord plus a related mode. And of course later we can mix it up with prior stuff with minor pentatonics, which is also cool, as I already mentioned in this little tutorial here, but that's basically how the whole thing works. So once you can do this, even as I did with talking, and you are so secure with the form, it's like a thing which always moves in front of your head. You always know this chord requires this, 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 this. And then when this is going on automatic, then you can start being creative in this. And then you can start to mix it up to make it something really nice. But this is the foundation, and that's what we're doing today. Yo, if you want to download this cool backing track, is a very pleasant tempo of 55 BPM. It's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Me, plus the tabs of the stuff I was just talking about, plus minus, just to give you some background information while you practice this stuff and really work it out. This foundation is very important because that gives you the freedom after to be really creative. Even when you're going to play over the whole fretboard, you always know where you are, put it in relation to the chord, in relation to the mode, wherever you ever are, and that's really the foundation. Yo, if you love my channel, please subscribe to my channel, please join the HPCrazy Guitar Me, please share to the world that me and Dr. Pink are existing, it's really important, and that's it. See you guys.